YouTube, what's going on? Dr. McIntosh with Health and Performance Center here. Just want to hop on here and make a video about a wrestler mash. What I want all my wrestlers to eat. It's going to give you a lot of protein, a lot of nutrients, and it's going to be good. So I'm going to pan over here. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got ground beef. I've got a pound of ground beef. I've got 1 cup of uncooked white rice here. I've got 1 cup of spinach. When you push it down, it's 1 cup. And then I'm going to have also 1 cup of some diced bell peppers. I'm using red and yellow bell peppers. So fast forward to now I've got the beef in the pan. It is all chopped up and it is brown. As you can see, there's not a ton of fat in here. That's what we want. We want a little bit, but not a ton, because we're actively trying to cut calories from all sources. So here's what you're going to do next after you've browned the beef. You're going to dump all the spinach in. If you ever cook with spinach, you know that this is going to shrivel away into nothing. But there's a lot of good nutrients in spinach, which is why you want to do it all in one pan like this. Keep moving it around. The spinach will eventually go away. After that, I'm going to dump in my cup of bell peppers. Mix them up. Saute a little bit, get them warm. Good. I'm going to saute these for just another minute or two. So here we go. It's been about another minute. The spinach and the bell peppers are sauteing here with the beef. So next I'm going to add my 1 cup of white rice. I've rinsed that out, and so that's in a strainer. So you're going to want to spread that out. Basically, let the rice cook just a tiny bit with all the goodness that's in the pan right now. After you do that, you're going to add 1 cup of beef stock. The rice needs liquid to soak up and get fluffy. Then 1 cup of water. Season it. I'm going to add salt and pepper. Once this water boils, I'm going to boil it for 30 seconds maybe at most. I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to set a timer for 25 minutes. We are back 25 minutes later. This has done some magic, and this is really hot. So here's what it looks like finished. It's going to have spinach, it's going to have bell peppers, it's rice, it's ground beef. I'm going to have a put all the foods into a chronometer, basically showing you all the nutrient breakdown of this meal. So this is obviously a big this is a big pot right here. This can be this can be 3 meals, and if you eat 1 to 2 of these a day, you're going to get a ton of good nutrients out of this meal. So guys, this is the wrestler mash. This is a great meal. I want everyone to learn this, perfect it, figure out a way that tastes really good and you like it, and eat this all the time. Thanks for watching, guys. So this is the breakdown of the chronometer. So it's basically showing you what is in this entire pot. So on the right side, you're seeing the protein. Basically, this hits all your bases as far as the recommended daily allowances of protein. The whole pot is 141 grams. For some people, that will be a perfect amount. Other people might need more. Other people might need less. The big thing is that on the left side, almost all of your B vitamins are met from the day. Now, red means you're way over. So for vitamin B3 specifically, you have way more than you need, but that's fine. So for the minerals, you can see the only things we're lacking really are calcium, magnesium, potassium, which you can get from tons of other sources. We'll talk about that later in another video. And sodium, which if you add a few cracks of salt to this, then you'll hit that easily. But here's a chronometer breakdown. This wrestler mash is a great meal. I want you guys to learn how to make it. Thanks.